was described rightly as one of the wonders of the age. 35 miles long, it cuts across various sections of existing river, 15, 20 points. There were, at its height, I think there was something like 12 to 17,000 navvies working on it. This was probably the last great civil engineering project where you were still using shovels and wheelbarrows.
When the giant ships from abroad could no longer dock at Liverpool or come up the Ship Canal, the decline was stark and the docks were closed, sadly. However, when Peel bought the Ship Canal and Salford City Council had the vision to buy the dockland, and as the regeneration of the dockland has taken place very spectacularly in Mid-Year City, at one and the same time, Peel's strategy and vision for an Atlantic Gateway strategy from Manchester, Salford through to Liverpool is becoming a reality.
Atlantic Gateway is in the process of working with its key partners both in the private sector, the public sector and government for the first time to agree on a set of infrastructure priorities for the Atlantic Gateway area. This hasn't been done before. Up until now, each LEP area has had its own priorities. So this is the first time it brings together a clear set of priorities for investment. Atlantic Gateway hopes that this will really pave the way in terms of being able to design, better, bigger, more fit-for-purpose, long-term infrastructure projects that will underpin growth. And it will also make a significant difference in terms of the Northern Powerhouse.
The development of a deep water container facility at Liverpool 2 is transformational for not just for the Liverpool City region, but it'll be transformational for the whole of the north. To date, we've had a port facility that can handle vessels of 3,500 TEUs. The new facility at Liverpool 2 will have the capability of handling up to 20,000 TEUs, the largest vessels in the world. That means a quadrupling of the capacity of the facility, and that will bring deep water vessels right to the heart of the north through Liverpool.
I think it's a very significant project. It's not just confined to the immediately near the canal. These days, I think you take the work of the three local enterprise partnerships, Cheshire, Warrington, Manchester and Liverpool City region, you can see that those economies are actually quite strong, some more stronger than others. You put the cities together, all three, and you put the Ship Canal in the middle of it, you've got the base of a very important national economic project.
For Warrington, it's a critical moment in time, because if we manage to actually get the potential that we think that is delivered by the Atlantic Gateway, it would have massive benefits, regeneration benefits for our town, and it would create a massive opportunity to deliver real regeneration and in a sustainable way, because I don't think we used water or the blue infrastructure enough. And for example, one barge can take 400 HGVs off the road.
The benefits of the Atlantic Gateway are promoting across the world Liverpool and Manchester together, and places in between such as Warrington, not to be forgotten, as being a really significant economic powerhouse with all kinds of assets, innovation, universities, creativity, the wonderful assets we have such as Mid-Year City UK at Salford Quays on the banks of the Manchester Ship Canal. Together, this is a far more significant offering to the world than these cities operating totally separately.
It's significant and important to the northwest just because of the sheer scale of the opportunity and jobs that it will create.